Kevin. Just going to make you a quick tutorial on this blog posting. All right, so log into the site. You're going to go to posts, and you can look at all posts, which will show you the previous blog posts that are here. One thing to notice is that they will show the categories here. That's going to be important when we discuss this in just a moment. But in any case, to make a new post, you go to Add New, and put your title in. Latest news from Women's Fund. And you can put your copy in the copy section. I'm just going to go grab some random Greek copy here. Okay. And paste that in here. So a couple things, basic WordPress stuff. If you are pasting from a formatted Word document, something that has a lot of line breaks and bold and that kind of thing, it's smart to paste into this text tab, because when you do, it'll strip out all that formatting. It may be inconvenient because you're going to have to reformat it, but it'll also keep it from bringing in a lot of hidden and obnoxious code. You can then switch back to the visual tab. Make sure that this little toolbar toggle is open and shows you all the options, and you can modify this text in basic word processing ways: bold, italic, whatever you want to do. You can center the whole thing, whatever's appealing. If you want to put in a link to somewhere, let's say it's an internal link to the site, we want to get people to this page, grab the URL, copy it, figure out what you want to link to, like say visit this page, highlight that, click on the link tool, paste it in and hit return, and that'll make a link. If you need to modify that link, click on it, click on the edit. If you click on this link options thing, you can say open link in new tab, and then that will, when it works, will open a new tab as opposed to just switching the page. Okay. Important things in blog is it has to belong to a category. Over here we have basically 4 categories: blog, press, uncategorized, and WF in the news. Uncategorized is default WordPress. It has to be there. In this case, we want it to show up under blog, we click blog. If we wanted it to be under press, we click press. If we want it in both places, we can click both. Okay? So I'll show you how that affects the display on the home page in a moment. For now, we'll put it in blog. You can ignore this right here. This just gives you custom post components for different types of media. It's not really useful. If you want to have a lead image for this article, you can set a featured image. This should be a reasonably large image, maybe 1,000 pixels up to 2,000 pixels. We'll use this slider image here. I'll say set featured image. That shows up there. If I want to put an image in line to the text somewhere in the copy, put your cursor, hit add media. You can add some photo. You can actually add multiple photos. So we'll add that one and that one, let's say. And you can actually, let's just do one at a time. You can give it some settings here. You can align it to the left or the center or the right. You can have it linked to itself or a media page, or even a custom URL if it's a button. And you can tell it whether you want it to be a thumbnail, medium, or full size. These are settings that are based on your WordPress install. So we'll just say full size for this little image. We'll say insert into post. It shows up there. So now if you want to see this before you publish it, hit preview. It'll open a new tab, and it will show it to you. Here's the title. Here's the image. Here's the copy. You'll notice that the featured image doesn't show here. That's by design. The featured image in this case is only used if we publish the article and we go to the blog page as soon as that's done spinning here. Okay. What I'll see is that first article will show up at the top of the blog page with that featured image right here. You see? If you want the featured image to show, we have to click a setting in the theme and it'll show there. So just let me know. Now this is showing the full length of the article, because most of these articles you've posted are pretty short with just a link out or to a PDF. If you want to post longer articles and you want to excerpt them, just let me know and we'll have to change a few settings, okay? So I'm going to unpublish this, go here, put it in draft, hit OK, hit update, and that will take it off of this blog page here, okay? One other thing, that category function. By simply changing the category, I can get that to show in different places. So if I had categorized it as press release, then it would show up here in the press release list. Actually, I'm not sure it's true. This is right now is just a list. Once you guys get some new press releases going, we can turn on the function that would make new posts categorized as press release show up here. So we'll have to talk about that. WF in the news, let's see. Same thing, this is basically a list of posts. If we want to use the blog function to manage those sections, we need to make some additional changes to these pages. All right, I think that's about it. Let me know if you